Hey everybody, Sean here. Hope everybody's doing okay. It's Thursday. We're trying to fight through this winter storm debacle. It's supposed to warm up tomorrow, Friday, so hopefully we'll be kind of close to the other side of this thing and everybody will have electricity back soon. In the meantime, I just wanted to talk a little bit about what do you do if you're a property owner and you have significant damage from the storm. Um, Obviously, the first thing you want to do is you want to get your business back up and running. That's the only way you're going to make money. But what if you don't have money to make those repairs to so that you can get your business up running? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Some potential options. Not all of them are great, but they can help because obviously, like again we said, you want to get that business up and running. First option is when you file that insurance claim, and I have some other videos talking about potential insurance claim. Make sure if you have damage, you look into whether you have a claim that would be covered. But if you're filing an insurance claim, a lot of times you can get an advance fairly quickly from your insurance company. Because you can agree on what's called the non-disputed damages or undisputed damages, and they'll pay that. It's an insurance company. They're not going to pay it the next day, but they'll pay it relatively quickly, and you can use that money to make initial repairs to at least get the building in a usable manner. So it's at least usable to run your business out of. A couple other possibilities: you could look to your lender. Sometimes lenders will have short-term loans that you can use to make the repairs, and then you can pay those back, obviously, as you get your business back up and running. And finally, there are some financing companies out there that will, similar to they'll fund lawsuits, they will fund insurance claims potentially, and so you can get kind of like a short-term bridge loan where they will fund your insurance claim on the assumption that you're going to get an insurance recovery at some point. I'd be a little bit careful about that because they can have some pretty onerous terms. But if you're in a tight spot, it's definitely an option. So there's a couple of areas, a couple of possibilities for you to get some short-term, quick funding so that you can make repairs and get your business back online after this storm. If you have any questions about that, feel free to give us a call. Bukowski Law Firm, 512-614-0335. Thanks a lot.